Hi Mind Body community, my name's Tania. I'm an osteopath based in Auckland, New Zealand. It's really neat to be able to connect with you all. And yeah, I just wanted to come on and share a bit about my experience with the Be the Medicine program, which I went through with Dr. Kim about a year ago. I originally started the program. One of the main reasons was I felt exhausted. I felt frustrated that I couldn't help more people. I was like, where's the limit? You know, I can work one-on-one with people, but there's only a certain number of hours in the day. There's only a certain amount of energy I have, and then that's it. Obviously, you know, I have energy. I give it to people. I go home exhausted. I restore overnight. I come in, give more people energy, help them, fix them, and it was exhausting way to practice. People would get better, and that's awesome. But I felt like as they got better, I was depleted, and I know that's not the case now. And I really am thankful for Dr. Kim for opening me up to more and more in my life as well. Like, it's amazing. You come here to help others, and you end up, yeah, so much helping yourself, and then you realize that's the medicine. You know, if you can come through that yourself, you are in an amazing place to help people. So yeah, I just think it's more of an experience than a program. Yeah, the tools you learn are awesome, and the way you get to practice them with Dr. Kim just is next level, and I highly recommend it to anyone that's yeah, similarly wanting to help people and have it be easy. You know, I think we think life has to be hard, and we have to be busy, and we have to just give everything to everyone else and sacrifice. And I just for me, yeah, I'm so thankful that I've learned it doesn't have to be that way, and that the best medicine there is living a happy, fulfilled life, and bringing that to every experience you've got, whether it's in practice or with the shopkeepers that you visit every day. Just the way of being is awesome, and yeah, I can't thank Dr. Kim enough. And I'm just really thankful now that I've got those tools to call on, and yeah, all the experience of the program's been just amazing. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using this more, and I just keep the more I practice, the better things get, and the more I love sharing it with others as well. I think my patients are benefiting as well with just the tools and the way of thinking about our bodies and how they heal. And I just think it's something that's so important, and yeah, I just can't wait to share it with more and more people. So yeah, all the best with it, and whether you choose the program or you're in the community and soaking up the vibes, and giving this blessing really to yourselves by spending time here, and yeah, practicing the tools that are on offer, so generously offered by Dr. Kim. So yeah, whether you're doing that or you choose to do the program, all the best to you. And if you've got any questions, then feel free to post them, and yeah, hopefully my experience or yeah, can help some of you. And yeah, I just look forward to connecting with you soon. Bye for now.